I ordered some rare earth magnets for my Minecraft cardbox project. I ordered 200 magnets. They're 2mm by 2mm, and they all fit in this tiny box. They're very strong. They make this fun toy. I could play with this all day. It makes a really strong triangle shape. It makes rhombuses. It has this great tactile feel when it locks into place in a shape due to the magnetism. They're super strong, as you can tell. They're pulling towards everything. I waited until I got the magnets to finish the design, because I didn't know how close they would be to the nominal measurements. As it turns out, they're not nominal measurements. They're exactly 2mm by 2mm. I wanted to test how many magnets I would need to securely close the box, depending on how thick the plastic was that covered the magnets. This is 1mm. I basically designed top and bottom as the same shape. I stuck the first magnets in the bottom. There are holes here. I put the magnets in there and then covered it with tape. You can see there's 8 of them in there, and that's how many I needed for a decently strong connection with 1mm. I wondered how thick or how thin the plastic I would need in order to have a strong connection with just magnets in the corners. So, I also printed it at 0.8mm thick. It's just not very strong with only the magnets in the corners. It's kinda strong, but I don't think it would keep the lid on if I turn it upside down with the cards in it. It's hard for me to actually pull them apart without having the magnets go flying. When I go to put the magnets in here, because the magnets are so small, it's really hard to put them in with the poles facing the right way. Without knowing if they flipped or not, while hidden behind your fingers. The way I do it is I make sure the right end is here. Right, so this won't even touch it, because they're repelling each other. This side sticks, so I know that's the way I need to put them in. You push in the end of it like this, and you just trap one magnet with your finger and pull the rest of them away. That's the easiest way to do this, and that's basically the way we're going to do it on the 3D printer too. We'll pause the printer, put in the magnets, and let the printer seal the magnets over with plastic. But when you do it on a 3D printer, a brass nozzle works great because brass is diamagnetic. If you have a hardened steel nozzle, you're probably going to have some issues.